You are watching Yo-Yo Life.
Today, we are going to learn about animals. Let's go!
Ant. Ant. Ants are tiny insects that live together in groups called colonies. They work as a team to find food, build tunnels, and take care of their queen. Ants are very strong for their size and can carry things much heavier than themselves. They use smells and touch to talk to each other and are fascinating little creatures. Bat. Bat. Bats are special animals that can fly at night. They have wings like birds, but their wings are more like hands with skin stretched between their fingers. Bats use echolocation, like a secret superpower, to find their way in the dark and catch insects to eat. They're like nighttime superheroes of the animal world. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are clever, furry animals that live in forests. They look a bit like people but with hairy bodies and long arms. They live in groups called communities and use sticks and tools to do things like get honey from beehives. Chimpanzees are very social and like to play and take care of each other, just like friends do. Duck. Duck. Ducks are water-loving birds that can be found in ponds, rivers, and lakes. They have webbed feet that help them swim and waddle on land. Ducks like to quack, and they have special waterproof feathers to stay dry while they swim. They eat plants and sometimes bugs, and they make cute, fluffy ducklings that follow their mama duck around. Ducks are friendly and fun to watch. Eagle. Eagle. Eagles are amazing birds known for their strong wings and sharp talons. They have keen eyesight, almost like superheroes, and can spot their prey from high in the sky. Eagles build big nests in tall trees or on cliffs, and they're really good at flying. They're like the kings of the sky, and they eat things like fish and small animals. Eagles are super cool birds. Frog. Frog. Frogs are slimy and bouncy animals that live near water. They have big, round eyes and strong back legs for jumping. Frogs make a funny sound called ribbit and like to eat insects with their long, sticky tongues. They start as tiny tadpoles in the water and grow into frogs. Frogs are like nature's acrobats and love hopping around. Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorillas are big, strong, and furry animals that live in forests. They are like gentle giants and are very smart. Gorillas live in families led by a strong silverback, which is an adult male. They eat plants like leaves and fruits and are known for their kind and peaceful nature. Gorillas are a bit like our distant relatives in the animal world, and they're really interesting to watch. Hamster. Hamster. Hamsters are tiny, fluffy pets that love to run on their exercise wheels and hide in tunnels. They have soft cheeks that they use to store food for later, like little grocery shoppers. Hamsters are nocturnal, which means they're most active at night, and they like to sleep during the day. They're small and cute and make great little friends to have at home. Ibises. Ibises. Ibises are long-legged birds with long, curved beaks. They often live near water like rivers and swamps. Ibises are like nature's cleanup crew because they eat insects, small fish, and other things they find in the water. They have lovely white feathers and are known for their unique beak shape. Ibises are interesting birds to watch. Jackal. Jackal. Jackals are clever and dog-like animals that live in deserts and grasslands. They have a sandy or golden brown coat and big ears. Jackals often hunt for small animals like rodents and birds. They can be very vocal, making high-pitched howling sounds. Jackals are like nature's detectives, always on the lookout for their next meal. Koala. Koala. Koalas are cute, fluffy animals from Australia. They have big, fuzzy ears and love to eat eucalyptus leaves, which make them smell like cough drops. Koalas are excellent climbers and spend most of their time in trees. They're like furry tree huggers and sleep a lot during the day. Koalas are just adorable. Lemur. Lemur. Lemurs are fun and furry creatures that live on the island of Madagascar. They have big, bright eyes and long tails. Lemurs are excellent climbers and jump from tree to tree, almost like superheroes. They're social animals and like to hang out in groups called troops. Lemurs are a bit like the cool acrobats of the animal world. Meerkat. Meerkat. Meerkats are small and curious animals that live in groups called mobs. They have stripes on their backs and stand on their hind legs to watch out for danger, like tiny sentinels. Meerkats love digging burrows in the ground, and they eat insects and small creatures they find. They're like nature's little explorers, always working together and keeping a lookout. Numbat. Numbat. Numbats are unique and small animals from Australia. They have reddish-brown fur and white stripes on their backs. Numbats love to eat termites, and they use their long tongue to slurp them up. They're like nature's termite hunters and are known for being rare and special creatures. Orangutan. Orangutan. Orangutans are big, orange-furred apes that live in the rainforests of Asia, like the jungle kings. They're very smart and have long, strong arms for swinging in the trees. Orangutans are kind of like our distant relatives and love eating fruits and leaves. They're gentle giants of the forest and are known for their thoughtful and peaceful nature. Peacock. Peacock. Peacocks are beautiful birds known for their stunning feathers. They have vibrant, colorful tails that they fan out to show off, especially when they want to impress peahens, female peacocks. Peacocks make a special sound called a call that sounds a bit like help to get attention. They're like nature's own fancy dancers and are famous for their dazzling appearance. Quail. Quail. Quails are small, round birds that are good at hiding in tall grass and bushes. They have speckled feathers to blend in with their surroundings. Quails like to scurry around on the ground, pecking at seeds and insects for food. They're like nature's little ground explorers and are known for their cute and secretive behavior. Raccoon. Raccoon. Raccoons are clever and curious animals with masked faces. They have fluffy tails with black rings and love exploring at night. Raccoons are great climbers and use their nimble paws to grab things like food. They're a bit like nature's little detectives, always looking for interesting things to eat and investigate. Sloth. Sloth. Sloths are slow-moving, fuzzy animals that live in the treetops of rainforests. They move very, very slowly and spend most of their time hanging upside down from branches. Sloths are like the chill, laid-back friends of the animal world. They eat leaves and have a gentle nature, making them unique and fascinating creatures to learn about. Tapir. Tapir. Tapirs are friendly, big animals that live in the forests near water in places like Asia and Central/South America. They have stout bodies, short trunks, and are usually dark-colored. Tapirs like to swim and munch on plants. They're like nature's gardeners, helping spread seeds as they walk through the forest, and they are known for their calm and peaceful personalities. Viper. Viper. Vipers are snakes with venomous bites, and they come in different colors and patterns. They have triangular heads and a hiss that sounds like a loud S. Vipers are like the mysterious detectives of the snake world, waiting patiently to catch their prey, which they use their venom to immobilize. They're fascinating but also should be handled with care from a distance because of their dangerous bites. Wolf. Wolf. Wolves are strong and social animals that live and work together in packs, like a big wolf family. They have furry coats and sharp teeth for hunting. Wolves howl to communicate with each other, almost like a song. They're like the brave heroes of the forest, helping to keep nature in balance by hunting deer and other animals.
This is the end of the story. Thank you for watching and hope you like it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to your channel. Hope to see you soon again. Goodbye.